You ready? Okay, I guess let's begin. Hey, today in study hall we have Becky, Aaron, and me, the star. Okay. Anywho, show yourself, Lauren. People don't know what you look like. There we go. Beautiful. Okay, ready? Watch this amazing trick that I can do. Ready? Watch what Becky can do. Okay, ready, Becky? Put it down. Woo! Okay, Aaron, you can just sit there.
That's me.
Oh, in your book.
This is very
Oh, I forgot that was there.
Okay. Becky has some underwear in her bag.
That was so awkward.
Okay, ready? Watch this amazing thing. Ready?
Okay, wait.
I can't do it. Okay, wait. Gotta go from this way then. Oh, wait. I gotta go from this way.
You're so snotty.
I know. Okay, that's all. Wait. Not yet. Oh, I want some gum. No.
Give them. Can't see it through the camera lens.
Aaron, would you like one?
No. Orange.
I can't get it.
Oh wait, sorry, I'm still filming.
Oh, I can't get it. There we go.
Insults. Why are we so full of insults?
Because I can't live without insulting a person. Like, stop it.
Who's Asia rapper? Eat mine.
Oh!
I got one on my face. From the camera lens. Disgusting. Am I done here? You're wasting
all... You want me to eat yours?
Sure, go.
But... Okay, yesterday whenever I opened my mouth and dropped that thing on Becky's... And Becky's book... I'm sorry.
Her mask now on her mask. Oh.
Yes, my mask.
Oh, yes.
Sorry, whoever gets that next year.
Mr. Face.
Okay, am I done?
Yeah, that's it. Bye.